Okay, I mentioned I would show you guys if I got some new information. I got two things I have to share with you. Okay, number one, this title on this article here: XRP looks ready for 16% bullish move if it breaks above this pattern. Can bulls hold the momentum? Okay, so it's called the Symmetrical Triangle formation. I haven't showed you guys this yet, but it is trend lines. And when I get back to my trading desk, okay, I'll show you. It might be a tomorrow video, but as far as how the lines are drawn and what they're talking about, the symmetrical triangle that compresses price action toward a decisive breakout. The structure shows converging trend lines that guide shrinking volatility, and the setup forms a buyer and seller's test control near a narrow compression zone. Okay, these are big words. These are big technical words that I need to show you what these words mean on the chart, and I will do that. And look, I have to. It's before I left today. I think that the candle that we just saw that I showed you on my first video is outside of that compressed triangle. That's what I wanted to say. Number one. Number two. Okay, Ripple draws down 500 million from Wall Street investors. Okay, so the November capital raise introduce a significant development that inserts the current market environment. Where's my other? So market analysis linked the strong inflows to regulatory clarity. The strong inflows coming in on these ETFs followed the conclusion of Ripple's court case with the U.S. securities. I know this is kind of old news, but we need to talk about it. This came out today. In August, it came out. This case established that XRP does not fall under security classification, if you didn't know. Okay, this wave of structured access mirrors the early growth pattern seen during the launch cycles of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that was the big problem right here. So XRP in and of itself. Okay, now we're not talking about the company Ripple or the ledger. We're just talking about the XRP token itself. It's actually by definition a coin because it's going to be used as a currency, is not a security. That opens things up because now we're not under those SEC laws that are pretty stringent. If security is publicly traded, there's stringent laws on the books that have to be followed with this thing, but there's no way to do it with blockchain. So it's not a security. They didn't say it's a commodity. I think there's some gray area in there, but it doesn't matter. All we know is it's not a security. Now, I don't want to stop on my phone before I left. Here's number two. I saw on X, and I don't know if it's a credible source or not, but I have to share this with you. Solana wants to put their native token on the XRP ledger. How's that happen? If Solana and XRP join forces together, it sounds like some type of a partnership. Don't worry, Solana blockchain is going to stay intact. It's superior gaming technology, but for some reason, Solana wants to use the XRP ledger as well. Come on, is that crazy, people? Is that bullish? I don't know. Okay, crazy price action today. Green candles everywhere. It's making my head spin. Massive moves, 10.5% on that XRP candle before I left. And so, in conclusion, I need to check that technical indicator to see if that it broke out of that compressed triangle zone, and we'll know for sure. But tomorrow, here's the other thing I'll leave you with, is the Fed's meeting today, but tomorrow is the conclusion of their meeting today when the public gets to know. So we've got to be careful because they're going to see what the verbiage. Last time the meeting happened, I had it on my monitor, and I was watching the S&P 500. Shout out to Stocks with Josh. That guy's he is an amazing technical analysis that I have learned so much from. Also, Economic Ninja was saying some things. He's not even looking at charts. He just sitting there. He's so savvy with economics that everything he's saying is reflecting in the charts. type of scenario. So it's great. You're in good hands, people. I surround myself with quality individuals. I follow very smart, savvy investors who have a wealth of information. I hope you got something out of this video today. Crypto Hop signing off. Keep it one day at a time, everybody. Good luck. Stay focused. Don't freak out. Just hold right now, and we're almost going to be taking profits here soon. Thanks for your time. Appreciate that thumbs up in the sub if you would. All right. Have a good one. Peace out.